Hi everyone, today I will show you how to make greeting cards in Canva. So let's just begin. So first of all, you have to log in into your Canva account. After that, what you need to do, you have to click on the search bar, and in the search bar, you can simply write down greeting cards. Alright, so let's search for the greeting cards, and you can see that we have the suggested template. So let's click on the see all. And from here, as you can see that we have the bunch of different greeting card templates. So we have the greeting card for the happy birthday, we have greeting card for the weddings, we have greeting card for the farewell, and you can also see the other greeting cards here. Okay, so these are the different and ready to use greeting cards that we can use for our personal use. Okay, so for example, let's just click on this happy birthday green card, and let's just click here on the customize this template. And here you will be able to see that we have pre-made greeting card to use for the happy birthday. So if you want to change the name for the friend or anyone, you can simply click here, and from here you can simply change the name. Let's just write down Steve. All right, so in the similar way you can change the text here, and you can change the message for the birthday here if you want to, and you can change the background color here if you want to, and you can also change these elements as well if you don't like these elements. Okay, so if I just click on the text, now you can see here that we have the option to change the font style here. Okay, so now you will be able to see the different options that we can use for the font style. In the similar way, I can change the font size from here. Okay, and I can also change the text color of the font. So if I don't like the black color here, I can change the text color from here as well. In the similar way, I can change the formatting of the text as well. So I can make it look bold, italic, underline, and you can also see the other options here. And these are for the alignment. So if you want to put the text into the center, you will simply click here, and you can see this. This is for the left side, this is for the equal, and this is for the right side, and this is for the center. And in the similar way, I can create the list here. Okay, and this is for the line spacing. And after that, we have the text effects. So if you want to add the text effect to your text, you will simply click here, and from here you can simply add the text effect. Okay, so for example, I want to have dear Steve into the curve shape, so I'll simply click here, and now you will be able to see we have the curve here. Okay, so let's just try to decrease this. Okay, so this is looking better. So this is how we can add the effect if we want to. And after that, we also have the animation, and in the last we have the positioning. So if you want to change the positioning, you can also align it to the page. You can also change the position from here. You can see this, we also have the layers here. Okay, so we have the layer for this text. So the different elements are actually on the different layers. Okay, so you can simply play around with these layers here as well. And after that, we have the transparency. So if you want to decrease the transparency of the text, you can simply decrease this from here, or if you want to give it 100%, you can also give it 100% from here. Okay, so this is how you can do the customization to the text. And if you want to use the AI of the Canva to write down the text for you, then you can simply click on the magic write, and here let's just write down more fun, and it will generate the text for you depend on the text or the post that you're creating. So you can see here that we have generated the AI generated text for the birthday. Okay, so let's just increase the width here. So let's just try to put this into the center. So for that, let's just click on the arrange and click on the center. Now you can see this, we have aligned the text into the center. All right, so this is how you can customize, manipulate the text in the Canva. And we also have a lot of different options for the background. So if you want to edit the image, you simply click here, and you will be able to see different options for editing the image, whether it could be the filters or the effects, and you can also use the other apps here. In the similar way, we have the flip option, and we have the color, animate, position, and transparency. And in the similar way, we have the flip, we can change the color, and we can animate, and we can change the position here. All right, so we also have the elements here. So in the elements, we actually have the similar kind of options, just like the image. So you can see the options here. We have the same kind of the options. So this is how we can create the greeting cards. But if you want to add your own designs or the own elements to it or own text to it, so how you can do this? So if you want to add the text, you simply click here, and from here you can simply add the text here just by clicking on the text. So if you want to go with any font combination here, all you would do that, just click on that font combination and you will have that text. Okay, so right now I'll just delete this. In the similar way, if you want to add the elements, you'll go inside the elements and you can search for the elements here as well. So for example, if you want to go for something floral design here, some different floral design here, you will simply write down floral here. All right, so now you can see that for the floral, we are actually getting the graphics, photos, videos, and the frames as well. Okay, so if you want to go with the photos, if you want to use the photos as the background, you can simply go inside the photos. But if you want to use the graphics, you simply click on the graphics here, and here you will only be able to see the graphics. And along with that, you will also have the different suggestions for the floral, such as the floral background, floral border, and you can also see the floral frame and the floral line. So you can see the bunch of different elements here that you can use in your own greeting card to make it look more beautiful. All right, so if I just use this one, this is looking really beautiful. So if I just put this here, you can see this is looking really beautiful now. All right, in the similar way, we can also add the other designs here accordingly that can make our greeting card look beautiful. And in the similar way, we can also create the other greeting cards for Happy New Year, for the thank you, for the appreciation, for the compliment. Okay, so now let's just try to create another greeting card here. So let's click here. So first of all, I will just simply write down greeting card here, and the suggestion box will give me the different greeting card ideas from here. So okay, so I would actually go here with the Christmas card. So let's click here and you will be able to see bunch of different templates here. Okay, so if I just copy this and click on the design here, paste it again, here I will be able to find the ready-made templates. Okay, in the design, you can see that we are having the templates here and great looking templates. So I'll simply select this one because this is looking really great, and it has the collage that you can use for your own pictures, and in the center you can simply write down a small message of the Merry Christmas and the Happy New Year. Okay, so this is a great greeting card for the Merry Christmas. So you can simply customize this with your own images, with your own text as well, and you can even change the colors and the fonts if you want to. Okay, so you can see the images here. So if you want to change the image, all you need to do, you simply click on the image and you can simply delete it from here by clicking on the backspace. And if you want to upload your own image, you simply click on the upload, and from here you can upload your own files here. All right, so this is how you can upload your own files. And if you want to change the color here, for example, I actually want to go here with a kind of this color. All right, so I would actually change the font color here. Okay, so how can I do this? Let's just click on the text color and it would be a kind of grayish color, or we can also use the white color, but I would actually go with this color here. And I would also like to change the color of the tree here. Okay, so that would be the same color as well. And if you want to change the text, you can simply click on the text, and from that you can simply change the text as well. So this is how we can create the greeting cards in the Canva. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.